Welcome back. I'm Christina Pascucci. It is about that time again. April 15th is quickly approaching and tax season is upon us. Joining us now to break down everything you need to know is Jim Casey, President and CEO of Integrated Wealth Management. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you. So good to have you here. Now, before we get to all the tax talk, let's touch on the economy. It's been at the forefront of everybody's mind, and there are signs of economic recovery. What do you see?
There are a lot of signs of economic recovery. I mean, all you have to do is go to one cocktail party and find out if anybody in the room feels better than they did 2 years ago. And the answer is yeah. I mean, think about 2.5 years ago. No one was feeling good about anything. We had skyrocketing unemployment. The stock market was lower than we'd ever want to admit. The S&P is now back 95% from its low 2.5 years ago. So we are seeing signs. We've got a long way to go, and there's a lot of minefields out there.
You know, it's hard for some people to see that there is economic recovery out there because they're still unemployed. They've been employed, some of these people, for years. What would you say to them?
You know, it's tough because no one cares about statistics if you're still unemployed and having a tough time putting food on the table. And things are getting better, and it's very difficult while you're in it to understand that. But, you know, we want to give up hope out there and think that things are moving in the right direction at least.
Let's get to taxes. I haven't even started thinking about taxes. It always seems so daunting.
Fun topic.
I know. So, you know, it stresses a lot of people out, but you have some tips to kind of help people get through it.
You know, it's keep good documentation. I can't say that enough. I remember my mom way back in the day used to have that folder on top of the refrigerator with little envelopes in it throughout the year. You've just got to keep good documentation because there are so many missed write-offs. You know, and again, not to talk about what the government does or does not do, but there are programs there to help people who are having difficult times during their tax time. So really take advantage of everything and look for somebody who's certified tax planner, CPA or certified tax planner to work with.
Do you think people should try to tackle their own taxes, or is it always better to
You know, it's really difficult. Depends on the complexity of the situation. I mean, it's always a good idea if they want to tackle it. There's some great programs out there to do it, but it's the old term garbage in, garbage out. So you got to make sure you're putting in the right data and covering everything that you can throughout the course of the year.
How do you think people can best maximize the cash they get back?
Invest it, put it in a good savings account. I mean, you've got to look at this as not a windfall and a trip to Vegas. I know the Vegas people aren't going to like that comment, but this is not a freebie. And we try to stress our clients to do tax planning throughout the course of the year, because while it's a nice feeling to get a tax refund, imagine if you had that money throughout the course of the year to utilize. So do some tax planning. If you do get a big refund, look at what you're paying in taxes this year and figure out if you should adjust your deductions or not.
And right now you're offering something huge, a free financial plan from Integrated Wealth Management for one lucky viewer. This is valued at $2,000. Tell us what this entails.
Well, we're big believers in giving back to the community, number one. And a good financial plan is a roadmap to a successful future. What we're really working on is try to empower people to understand what money is all about, what it can do, what they're missing. Do they have too much life insurance, too little life insurance? How do you balance saving for your child's education and paying off your mortgage and paying off your school loans? So there's a lot of balancing going on. So a good financial plan by one of our certified financial planners can kind of give them a roadmap.
This is huge, potentially life-changing for one of our lucky viewers. Caller 6 right now, 760-340-1623. You're going to win a financial plan, a preliminary financial plan with Integrated Wealth Management. Good luck to you. And Jim Casey, thank you so much for your time.
Appreciate it.